For my final project, I created a website for a nonprofit organization called Sustain Earth. Each heading is a button that leads to a different part of the website where viewers can learn something about the nonprofit organization. Here we have Learn, Donate, and Share. At the bottom of the website is our motto: join our community, make a difference, sustain our earth. And underneath that is the nonprofit organization's copyright. On the top left is the logo I created for the nonprofit. On the top right are social icons where viewers can share something that they find on the website. Here are the subcategories we saw earlier. If we click on one, it leads us to one part of the page. Learn, donate, share. The purpose of this website is to connect community members and teach each other how to be sustainable and learn certain skills. I wanted my design elements to reflect that. By breaking them up into different sections, viewers know exactly where they're looking and what they're looking for. Here we have a picture of a woman recycling, a man planting seeds, and a diverse group of volunteers willing to share and donate their time to this certain cause. These are elements all very important to the nonprofit organization. The color scheme as well of blue and green represents the earth. Something I learned the most of, obviously, was coding. I did not know anything about coding before, but through this project and through the course, I've learned how to use CSS, how to use HTML, and how it works when a website designer goes behind the scenes to design certain things in a personal way for a certain company. Something that was the most difficult for me was actually finding the elements in the inspect element part of Firefox that needed to be adjusted and changed in order to be personalized. This project taught me a lot more about how to do that, and I'm grateful for it. Thank you.